Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet in MetaMask's browser. First, ensure you have MetaMask's browser installed on your device. We'll then walk through adding the MetaMask extension directly within MetaMask. This process is straightforward and ensures your decentralized applications run smoothly. You'll be ready to interact with Web3 in no time, managing your digital assets securely and efficiently. To begin, open your MetaMask browser. You'll need to access the browser's extension store, which is similar to other popular browsers. Search for MetaMask and make sure you select the official extension. Once found, click the Add to MetaMask button. A small pop-up will ask for confirmation. Simply approve it to complete the installation. This step is crucial for integrating your wallet. After installation, a MetaMask icon will appear in your browser's toolbar. Click it to launch the setup wizard. Here, you'll have two main options. Either import an existing wallet using your secret recovery phrase or create a brand new one. Carefully follow the prompts, setting a strong password and securely storing your recovery phrase. This ensures your digital assets are protected within MetaMask's browser. With MetaMask set up, you can now seamlessly interact with decentralized applications in MetaMask's browser. When a D app requires a transaction, MetaMask will automatically prompt you to review and approve it. Simply click the MetaMask icon in your toolbar to access your wallet, check your balances, and view your transaction history. It's an easy and secure way to engage with the Web3 ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.